Raising kids is difficult enough. Add the prospect of dating to the equation, and you've got quite a difficulty. But regardless how your scenario developed, you deserve to date. Continue reading for our expert-backed guidelines on navigating the dating scene while still keeping your kids' interests at heart. Keep in mind, you're the full-grown here. If you are single, you can date. Naturally, the reality of how and when to start ducking out depends on the scenario and your readiness. Timing is particularly sensitive for widowers since everyone provides their opinion regarding the appropriate time, even though none of them is strolling in your shoes, Fisher states. When you think you are ready to date, inform your children, Fisher suggests. State, you are, and always will be, the most important people in my life. However, as much as I like to hang around with my pals and household, just like you do, I'd also like to have buddies of the opposite gender, someone who I can go to the motion pictures with, to dance with, to have a beverage with, Fisher states. Papa. You never ever know when there will be an emergency, when you'll need to leave a date or cancel, and that may make her envious, Brock says. According to Fisher's research, single mothers are not looking particularly for a guy with kids, but single fathers are trying to find a female who is a mom. But there's no guarantee of this. Don't ignore a lady who has actually never been a mother. She might be wonderful with your kids, because there is no one contending for her attention. They'll need to know her name, what she appears like, and whether she has children, but little else. In terms of satisfying her, this is a choice your kid need to make. Nevertheless, make sure to add that at some time in the future, if you need to ever satisfy somebody you desire to date specifically, you will desire them to satisfy her. Most children will be okay with this due to the fact that they can't really imagine that taking place. Presenting ladies into your kids' lives too often can skew their perceptions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.